Open pores treatment, before-after visible skin texture transformation. When people look in the mirror, they often notice the pores first, not the skin tone, not the glow, the pores, especially when they appear larger and more visible under bright light. Today's treatment follows an open pores treatment, before-after transformation, focused on improving skin texture and revealing cleaner-looking pores. What causes pores to look larger? Pores don't actually open and close like doors, but they can appear larger when excess oil builds up, congestion stretches the pore walls, dead skin accumulates inside pores. Over time, this makes pores more visible. Why texture changes over time? Visible pores affect more than appearance. They can also make the skin look rougher, uneven, less smooth under light. This is why texture improvement is often one of the biggest goals of pore treatments. Step 1. Deep cleansing process. The treatment starts with a complete cleanse to remove surface oil and prepare the skin. Step 2. Steam pore preparation. Warm steam helps soften congestion trapped inside enlarged pores. Step 3. Deep pore cleaning. Extraction begins carefully. Oil buildup and congestion are removed from the most affected areas. Step 4. Pore refinement phase. As congestion clears, the skin begins appearing cleaner, smoother, more balanced. The pore appearance gradually improves. Step 5. Before-after reveal. Now the difference becomes visible. The skin texture looks more refined, and pores appear significantly cleaner. Step 6. Recovery skin soothing. A calming treatment is applied to reduce redness and support recovery. Final results. Before, visible enlarged pores and uneven texture. After, cleaner looking pores and smoother skin appearance. A satisfying skin texture transformation. Final message: healthy looking skin isn't about having invisible pores. It's about keeping pores clean, balanced, and less noticeable. That's where real texture transformation begins. If you enjoyed this open pores treatment before and after transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more skincare transformations, pore cleaning videos, and satisfying extraction content.